This no-bake passion fruit cheesecake is about to become your new obsession. Silky cream cheese filling, buttery cookie crust, and that gorgeous tropical jelly topping. No oven required. Let me show you how easy this really is. First, we are crushing graham crackers or Biscoff cookies for richer flavor. Blend until they are fine crumbs, no big chunks. This creates that perfect sturdy base. Now melt your butter and mix it in until it looks like wet sand. That texture is key. It means every crumb is coated so your crust holds together beautifully without falling apart when you slice. Press this into your glass or springform pan and really pack it down firm. Use the back of your spoon or the bottom of a glass to get it flat and compact. Then into the fridge for at least 1 hour. Don't skip this. It's what keeps the base from turning into a crumbly mess later. Time for the star ingredient, fresh passion fruit. Cut them open, scoop that gorgeous pulp and strain to separate the seeds. Save those seeds though, we are using them in the jelly topping for that authentic passion fruit look and a little crunch. Bloom your gelatin by mixing it with water, then microwave for 15-20 seconds. This will activate it so your filling sets perfectly without baking. Here's a pro tip. Use heavy whipping cream with at least 35% fat content. It whips better and helps your filling stay firm and sliceable. Beat to soft peaks, not stiff. Then chill it while we make the cream cheese base. Cream cheese is what makes this dessert so luxurious and smooth. Beat it with powdered sugar until it's completely lump-free. That creamy, slightly tangy base is the perfect match for passion fruit's bold tropical flavor. They really balance each other beautifully. Add your strained passion fruit pulp and that bloom gelatin. Beat until it's silky smooth and you can smell that amazing tropical aroma. Now fold in the whipped cream gently, 1/3 at a time. We are folding, not beating, to keep all that air we whipped in. This is what makes your filling light and mousse-like instead of dense. Take your time here, it's worth it. Now pour your filling over the chilled base and smooth the top with a spatula. Give it a gentle tap to release any air bubbles. Back in the fridge to set while we make that stunning jelly layer. For the jelly topping, heat water on low. Don't let it boil or it'll weaken the gelatin. Dissolve the gelatin in sugar, then turn off the heat. Stir in your passion fruit pulp and those reserved seeds for texture and visual appeal. Let it cool to room temperature. This is important. Hot jelly will melt your filling. Now carefully pour the cool jelly over your set filling. Refrigerate for 6 hours or overnight. Serve chilled. This no-bake passion fruit cheesecake is guaranteed to impress. Enjoy.